Fog, anything?
Nothing.
Clear?
Absolutely. Oh my god. He was getting ready to run and he touched the car. He said, I can't see it. My mask is off.
And you haven't fogged up one time?
One time. I've actually gotten sweat all over him. I had to fix my mask mid-game. Can I run him for one game without one?
Yeah, you can. Do you have another pair of glasses?
I've got sunglasses. I got some. Oh, you got another. Okay.
Just use those.
Put you on one game and I won't want them back after that.
You can wear mine. If I can find another pair of glasses. So just let me know how those work.
Alright, yeah, I'll see.
These aren't them. I got someone's trying them out.
Like what do you, what's the name for them?
They're airraiders. You got a phone?
Yeah.
You can just save that. And you can click on, you can read about them. We got videos. That's them.
Did you send that to me?
Yeah, you'll be blown away, I'm serious. Someone's actually tested my aerators and I have regular glasses on. Cannot see anything. Can't see again.
You got anything over here?
Huh?
You got anything over here?
Not that I can't see anything. I gave my glasses to the other guy.
Uh-oh. You fogged up?
I let the guy try my glasses out, so now I got some typical crappy glasses that don't work.
Well, I'm with you, man. I'm trying to balance mine on my nose so I can see.
Yeah. It definitely sucks.
Almost still looks like. Oh yeah, no.
Fog, anything?
Nothing.
Clear?
Absolutely. Oh my god. Oh my god, those are still on the
Yeah, well, I was playing with these, whatever these are, and I quit.
I noticed.
Because I could not see. I just quit.
Dang. How'd they work for you?
I did not fog at all. That is amazing. I'm not that prepared because I tell you what, I about fogies.
I will never step foot.
Yeah, those are amazing. Like, holy crap.
Appreciate it, man.